In this series, we will discuss the types of sentence by meaning-wise. There are usually 6 types of sentence by meaning-wise. 1. Affirmative sentence. 2. Negative sentence. 3. Interrogative sentence. 4. Emphatic sentence. 5. Imperative sentence. 6. Exclamatory sentence. What is affirmative sentence?
A group of words which give positive statement of some work, task, or fact is called affirmative sentence. For example, I have a puppy. She plays football in the street. I have a waterproof gloves. My favorite toy is teddy bear. These were a few examples of affirmative sentence.
What is negative sentence?
A group of words which express the negation of some work, task, and fact is called negative sentence.
For example,
David is not a happy person. She does not like bicycle. Amelia did not play football in the ground. So these were a few common examples of negative sentence.
What is interrogative sentence?
Interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question, typically to request information. They're identified by the question mark. That comes at the end of the sentence.
For example,
when does the game start? Would you like some coffee? What are you wearing?
What is emphatic sentence?
Emphatic means forceful and clear, a sentence in which express something forcibly is called emphatic sentence.
For example,
I absolutely love chocolates. She is truly an amazing singer. I'm truly grateful for your help. I absolutely refuse to eat that disgusting food, etc.
What is imperative sentence?
A sentence which expresses a command, request, or suggestion is called imperative sentence.
For example,
beware, there is a dig in front of you. Bring me a glass of water. Don't ever touch my phone. Give me a pen and a pencil. Play with intensity and courage.
Thanks for watching. What is exclamatory sentence?
An exclamatory sentence, also known as an exclamation sentence or an exclamative clause. It expresses some strong but sudden flow of feelings is called exclamatory sentence.
For example,
oh, that is excellent. You did a really good job. You were amazing. How does he do it? Sit down. Walk slowly.
An exclamatory sentence always ends with exclamation mark. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.